Hello, my name is Shelby Grams, and I'm currently helping fill in and do videos for my father, Jay. With that being said, I'm going to give you my best impression of this hot 1969 Camaro SS. And let me just say killer. Killer color combination this car has, and it was born this way. Great list of options too, including a 427 under the hood. And all right, I can't wait to tell you more about this car. So with that being said, join me and let's go for a spin. So beautiful. The colors, there's no vinyl top and stance, and the feature makes this a standout car. The body is in excellent shape. It's nice and straight and fits right. The gaps are consistent throughout the car. The doors, they open very nicely and close very nicely as well. This car includes a cowl hood, spoilers, and a rare Endura front bumper. It has been repainted its original rally green, and it has a clear coat polish like wet glass. It was painted on white hockey 6 stripes and a blacked out SS tail panel, and all the chrome and trim sparkles on this car. As the exterior trim package, it also includes the extra moldings. It has new 15-inch rally wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich tires, and they look perfect on this car. Seriously, this is one hot car. Now let's go check out the interior. Opening up the trunk, and wow, does it look clean and complete. Under the trunk lid and the jamb are painted slick, and inside is clean metal with a neatly applied spatter finish. It has a nice fitting reproduction mat in place. It even has the 5th matching BF Goodrich tires on a restored rally wheel and reproduction jack assembly. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when the next video is posted. Now this deluxe white houndstooth interior is just as stunning as the exterior. Beautiful upholstery on the seats and all white molded door panels look great. The deltalso includes woodgrain trim across the dash, and that's a genuine rosewood rim on the deluxe wheel. In the dash is a factory 8-grand tachometer and a working clock. And down in the console is the rest of the gauges and the staple shifter, and a retro stereo fits in the factory hole. Down on the floor is fresh carpet and SS mats. It also has been upgraded with seat tracks that slide back for taller folks, and it also includes a full set of original seatbelts. And overhead is a nice headliner, and all the interior lights still work. Under the hood, here we have a 1969 427 motor with an aluminum intake, sniper fuel injection system, MSD ignition, and a set of headers. On top is a functional cowl induction system. Features include power steering and power brakes with a cadmium plated booster. Correct curved neck Bic block radiator with reproduction hoses and clamps. It's also restored with Delco battery topper, spring clamp, cables, and reproduction stickers and assembly markings. It is complete with horns, cowl seal, hood insulation, and hooked up squirters. Detailed really nice, and all the metal surfaces are painted neatly. Now the front end was completely rebuilt, including the ball joints, bushing, springs, shocks, steering, and a fatter sway bar. In the back, the springs and shocks are new. This car has a complete new brake system with lines, hoses, e-brake assembly, and it was upgraded to disc at all 4 wheels. All new fuel systems, including the tank, and compatible with fuel injection. Now this car was nicely installed with the exhaust with crossover pipe, Flowmaster mufflers, and polished /cut tips. And now looking up at the motor, it is spotless. Chevy orange with a high torque starter and a chrome flywheel cover. It has a turbo 350 automatic trans, and the rear end has an aluminum perfect launch griddle cover. And the floors appear to be rust free. We inspected the car, and all we had to do was rewire the amp gauge, and it's ready to be enjoyed. There are plenty of Camaros out there, but this one stands out. I cannot stop saying it in my head, this car looks stunning. That's what I thought when I first laid my eyes on this car. I keep talking about how great it looks, but let's not forget about the 427 under the hood too. It runs strong and sounds great. You will not regret this one. I cannot get better than this car. And with that being said, don't let the opportunity slip off your fingertips. So go on and give us a call and we can help set up delivering this car to your door and even set up financing. Thanks for watching.